the messages on your phone that you sent to the child, does it say you're gonna meet her, have dinner, go to your house and have sex? I'm asking you a question. I'm not asking you about your joking. We were joking. Go back to work. Go back to work. We were joking. Go back to work. This is all a joke. This is all a joke. You see how you tell us it's a joke? It's so fun. It's so funny. Go back to work. No, you're saying it's a joke.
No.
If it's all.
Elshafo, asem ebeni fota aka asem bi se asem wo empeni pa nemum no nipa ene pe ne ho asem nipa te fa kwa ope ana se nipa te ahojo a ope gise ye di na kwa makom na se bi ye di bi ahyehye nani asini ni huni baby a na di bi ahyehye. So there is this chef Elshafo owo Ghana ni nyame aye na dum a passport here manfo pebidi a travel akwa brother akwa ye adwumaden no na me aboa no wenye bi watu kwai akwa kodru ekwa asudwem ne ho amasem ne ho anteche ma onyare hwenye no fine akwa kodru onyame asabo wenye adwuma ye right san obi a hwehwe se nyame be ya ma no. And this chef Elshafo ye kasa fa ne ho no a very nice gentleman, or you're tall, or you're dark in complexion, in fact, or you're chocolate. Yeah, that is every lady's spec on this it. Or some beard kakra. Or you're very cute, or you're very nice gentleman, or you're chef, or you're Juma, or America, or Manoni. Nebusha Mokodro 1 month pepe penny, and yachin. Obebu some say, are they a band say, yes. Yabakaya, and I see your better, Debiada in summer air quants now where any. We corner we have many bema been at 9 and I'm with fear 18 years, 17 years, 16 years. Benny. So this guy thought say, in fact, or that's what Ghana and no bet me I do PBR. Debbie Ojuano, and then this lady, Bruniba, come with long hair. I don't know, so on a gene number, or say lady no a gene number, or under age. For their chatting and all that, say on Beshia for dinner, they are going to have that thing, you know, be a penny for you know, come and see Rebecca say mama need that. They are going to do all sorts of that. And I am unfortunate for this guy, chef for Nabisha for the phone Ekodi, one of the masters chef or Moye Juma or that particular restaurant for. And you know the phone Kodi Rohono and I don't know that master no go through the chat, and then the chat between the lady and as a crown or any chef no. Awa no say abrantie bra. What is this? Dey chat we o patra say oni ni koshia dinner and then mu ya makwa ye de ensem fata because akari ya under age utimi ne nyesa ewe kruma say. And he started saying, say, a joke, ya grown and no nya granny to say, oh, and you're serious, and you're all that serious, and you come san or your new cranu a chatty girl. And okay, so a joke there, let's go to, you know, prison. And I see your cohorts, Neko you and all. In some brain for this guy, didn't ship. And you're very unfortunate for this chef. Say, Okodo 1 month prepare wine and one shada engine any sa and yes a bit deported. Come when you could say some no, a mutual. As same way you shall for minim semi bo or junk culture obetimity. So therefore I tried my best to get you the video. It's coming when you watch a video no embassy. But before that no subscribe to Tatu TV, like and comment or your comment section user. Click on the notification button for more news updates. Here when you could see Master with us.
The messages on your phone that you sent to the child, does it say you're gonna meet her, have dinner, go to your house and have sex? I'm asking you a question. I'm not asking you about your joking. We were joking. Go back to work. Go back to work. We were joking. Go back to work. This is all a joke. This is all a joke. You see how you tell us it's a joke? It's so fun. It's so funny. Go back to work. No, you're saying it's a joke.
No.
If it's all a joke, then let's all go home and come out the rain. Listen, you don't sorry about joke, man. We laugh about joke. We laugh.
No joke.
We don't be sad about joke. No. Listen to what I'm saying to you. Your conversations with her Was you talking to her like that because you wanted to have...
I'm not gonna.
Listen to what I'm asking you. Was you talking to this child about sex?
We talk about sexual
Right,
aspect,
and you
yeah.
was talking about meeting to have sex. Those messages say you was gonna meet the girl to have sex. Yes or no?
Yeah, is there like
Thank
this?
you. Did you tell her you was gonna meet her tomorrow?
I said yes.
Right.
spoke
Alright,
about
let me
this.
ask you something. What else did you talk about in these messages apart from...
Nothing, just
You only talk
friendship.
about...
We talk about different things like how are you and those things.
What's her favourite colour? You know her favourite colour?
I don't know.
Do you know what she likes to eat?
Well,
Do you know what she likes to drink?
no.
What do you know about her? You understand what I'm trying to say to you? All you're talking about her, your whole interest in her was to have sex. Because you're asking her for pictures. And you're sending her pictures of your private parts. You understand what I'm saying to you? Does the messages say you're gonna get something to eat and go to your house for sex?
Just for yourselves and to make sure you don't harm yourself in the back of the van. Okay.
How long you been in England?
Been in England all your life?
No. I've been here for some, just like a month.
You've been here a month?
You've come into our country, yeah?
Oh my
Yeah, you've been here a month, and then you come into our country, and not even a month of being here, you're
And
talking to our
already you're
children.
doing this. And then when they send you back to Africa, you better not go Africa do this, you know. I pray they catch you in Africa. I pray they catch you. They know what to do with you back home, man. Let me ask you a question. Do you send money back and look after your family?
Yeah.
So now, because you want to have little children, now your family gonna suffer. Because you want to have children. You put a little children above your family. You know what you done? You've had that child. And now you've had a legacy of abuse and destruction and hurt and pain. You have destroyed this child's life. You've
I
destroyed
never
your
met-
family's life. Have you got
never
children?
met-
You got a child?
One.
A boy or a girl?
Boy.
So look what you've done now. Your son
I feel like
is gonna see you now, and the whole village, everybody, the whole city, all the people around your family. Your son is gonna see you, and that is the example you've set for your son. You want your son to think that is how a man is supposed to act.
What's your age?
I was born 26 May 1994.
So you're nearly 30 years old, and you want little children a third of your age.
Yeah, search section 32, okay? She's just been arrested. So I'm going to search for any articles and put it in a bag.